the US dollar versus the Mexican peso. So let's have a look for this one because it is something which I think you might like the look of. There we go. On the weekly time frame, we have this bearish pin bar reversal. It's a ring high sell after a 3-week pullback. And if we look at the fact that the lows of the previous 1, 2, 3 bars haven't been breached, and we have our entry just below the low here, stop loss above the high, and trade it to the previous swing low, that's a decent sell the rally opportunity. Okay, so I know that we're in no man's land between the 200, the 20 and the 50, but that doesn't really matter when we've got good speed and momentum in the market, and it looks like we do here. So for a lot of traders, if we've got, for example, the silver and gold rallying, then the US dollar will weaken in tandem with this. And certainly if we're selling the US dollar versus the Mexican peso, then we've got positive carry because we are selling the US dollar, which has a interest rate of 1.25%, and the Mexican peso has a much higher interest rate. The interest rate in Mexico is 7%. So if we're selling the US dollar against the Mexican peso, we're essentially selling the country which has the lower interest rate and buying the one with the higher interest rate. So there's a very decent differential there in our favor. And if we're trading the weekly time frame, then quite frankly, we can benefit from this positive carry for far, far longer.